I wake up so early this morning because I wanted to be productive. I already take a shower and have my skincare. One of the most things that I really love after taking a shower is that I'm gonna apply my skincare. I really love using Bella products because it really softens my skin and especially in my face with this Sun Expert SPF 40. Every time I go to school, I really apply sunscreen because it was so hot outside. And also, I also put lotion on my skin because I often noticed that my skin is not fair, especially in my arms. Using Bella products really made my day. Like, I cannot go out without applying my skincare. For the information of everyone, this is not a promotional video or an advertisement. I was just stating a fact that using Bella products would make my skin softer and smoother. And actually guys, I'm getting ready for now because I'm going to Pinamungaan to deliver my products to my beloved customers. My foremost get ready is that I will bring with me my AuraShare power bank that I bought from TikTok, which is so good to use, and also I really like the color. Like, it was also a perfect fit for me. I also wanted to bring my headphone with me so that while waiting for the customers, I can be able to listen to the music. I wanna eat this salad that we made last December 31 and it's so creamy and it was so delicious. We actually bought a big can of fruit so that we can make a lot more. But along the days of eating salad, I find it enjoying and satisfying. Actually, as a salad baby, I really like salad. Like, for being honest, I really like it so much and I crave for it and for more. Hey guys! So the products here at the table guys, ito po yung i-deliver po namin ngayon. So magdi-deliver po kami ng bags, raincoat, like shaver, power banks, and more. Kasi kailangan po natin magsigap this New Year 2025. Ito po siya guys, ang dami po nating power bank dito and napakaganda po talaga ng pasok po natin pong year 2025 kasi dumadami po yung mga orders. Ayun. So, I'm not really satisfied sa suot ko now kasi po, napakainit po sa labas. And I think kailangan ko po mag-jacket. So, I have here this Ferrari jacket and this is so nice talaga. I bought this from TikTok and it is very affordable mga guys. So, later on, I'm gonna wear this one and then I'm gonna put shades on my eyes and then a helmet. So, ngayon, susuotin ko na po siya. Though, bago lang sa akin to kasi kakadating lang po na to last week. So, now I'm gonna wear this one. Yes. Look, may pangalan siya dito. Para pag mag-drive ka ng motor, titingin sila sa'yo. What? So, the shades that I have here is galing po ito siya from Shimano. I actually bought this from TikTok and it's very affordable lang. And yeah, napakaganda po talaga nito. It's also matchy. Talaga siya sa akin pong jacket na Ferrari. Look. How's my look? A rider look. So I actually bought this helmet 2 weeks ago and this is so good talaga. Good siya gamitan kasi po nakapagsalita ka po dito. So I'm ready to deliver now. So tara, deliver na tayo. Let's go! Siyempre, pa-deliver na tayo. Siyempre, ilalagay natin sa top box yung ating pong mga items. But we are so lucky talaga guys na dumating to si Afi kasi if hindi to dumating, magdi-deliver ako na maglalakad, magchat-chat, tapos pupunta pa yung customer namin sa malayo. We are so blessed talaga na alandyan lang lagi si Lord para sa amin. Napakabuti niya sa amin. Grabe. Kasi kung alam niya lang guys, nang wala pa to si Afi, ako guys, magdadala talaga ako ng mga items ko. Sasakay ako ng bus. Ako pang nahihirapan. Tapos pagtitinginan pa ako ng mga tao. And after that, ako pa yung mahirap bumaba kasi napakasiksika na. Grabe, siksik-liglig po yung bus. At buti na lang talaga dumating si Afi sa amin. So, Afi pala comes from the word affiliate because I am an affiliator in TikTok. And you could also follow me in TikTok. I'm gonna put the name there so that ma-follow nyo ako at mag-order ka ng mga products doon. Let's go. Charot. So, yun na nga guys, nag-decide na kaming pumunta kasi anong oras na? Grabe, ang bilis ng oras. Habang bumabiyahe kami, nag-decide ako na mag-stop muna para mag-sightseeing sa dagat kasi nakaka-fresh talaga ang dagat at nakakawala ng stress, problema, napaka-peaceful lang talaga sa isipan. Mapapaisip ka na lang talaga. Grabe no? Gawa to ni Lord lahat. Noon pa lang guys, nung wala pa tong lahat-lahat, wala pa yung mga items, wala pa yung mga products, business, motor. Doon talaga ako nagsistay lang sa plaza at tsaka mag-sightseeing lang ako sa beach. Tapos mag-feel ng fresh air. at least man lang, for the meantime, nawawala yung mga stress ko, problema ko, lahat-lahat. Like, nakaka-peaceful siya. Grabe, ang layo ko na. Ito mga lugar na to, di ko to napupuntahan noon eh. Like, wow! So, hi everyone. So, we're having a best view here. I'll be just eating a burger. So hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Pinamungahan. Magdi-deliver kami ng mga products. Though the product namin is nandun po sa motor. So I'm not gonna bring that here because if magchat-chat na yung mga customer namin, eh doon na lang kami pupunta doon kasi ang dami. Grabe, sobrang dami. Literal. Alam niyo ba dito guys, na ang tapat na nitong aming pong lugar is yung Mount Canlaon. Yung vulkan na yan is a Mount Canlaon. And that is the active volcano. Last month lang po, mayroong mga news na pumutok siya. And buti na lang, hindi pa kami naapektuhan kasi pag naapektuhan pa kami, lagot. Lagot ang person. So I have here a C2. And sa likod ko naman banda, dito banda is yung burger station. So bumili kami kanina ng burger. Bumili kami ng cheeseburger tsaka regular burger. So hey guys, 70% of our products or items right here are finally given to our customers. So nabigyan na po namin. So ngayon po mag-aintay na lang po kami kasi meron po mga customer na barat at meron po mga customer na hindi po talaga nagre-reply kahit sinabihan naman na yung time po namin is andito po. But we will wait and uuwi na din after. So since kanina guys, kumain po kami ng burger and may partner po na Sito. Busog na po tayo. Maya-maya lang po, may inaantay lang po kami na customer na pupunta dito kasi sabi niya po, pupunta siya dito. Eh di okay! Goods na goods. Kasi sinabi kasi namin sa mga customer namin, mga sir, pupunta kami dyan mga alas 3. Ganon. So, yung meet talaga namin, alas 3 tsaka alas 4. 3 to 4. But po, aalis kami sa bahay namin mga alas 2 para pagpunta namin dito alas 3 na sakto. So ayun, buti naman like sa unang pag-deliver ko dito, wow, napaka-goods ng performance, ganun. And yeah, gustong gusto ko talaga yung suot ko ngayon. After namin nabigay lahat sa aming mga customer sa mga items, ay nag-decide na kami na umuwi. Pero habang nag-drive ako, nakita ko si ate na nagtitinda ng mga street food. Syempre, as a street food lover, sa tabing dagat na sila nagtitinda eh. Kaya sariwang-sariwa talaga yung hangin at mapapa-fresh ka talaga neto. And also, marami din mga riders ang tumitigil at bumibili dito kasi napakasarap ng kanyang sauce. Yung kanyang fishball guys is nagkakalaga lang siya ng 2 pesos kasi worth it din siya sa laki. At meron din siyang tindang kwek-kwek, gulaman, tempura, at lahat na. Grabe guys, isang kagat pa lang napakasarap na. Ang sauce niya ay napakasarap talaga. Maybe that's it for now. And that's it, it's me again. Ricky!